actually so painful. You can see those little like white bits on the pore strip. It like balls off. Wow. Oh my god, my face is so red. So I mean, my face is on fire a little bit and it took my skin off. Oh no, why is this actually grey? So here are the things I got. It really doesn't look like a lot. At the time I thought I got loads, but now looking at it, it looks pretty measly. I picked up some makeup-y bits, some makeup wipes, face masks, peel-off face masks, pore strips, waxing strips, shaving cream, shampoo, conditioner. My dumb ass thought this was a shampoo. It's a fucking conditioner. Why am I like this? I got this and I literally just panicked and put it in my basket because there was like a man stood next to me, and you know when you're in a shop and you just panic and you think that old people are gonna think that you're stealing stuff? Nope, okay, just me. I put this in and it's a 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner, and I literally hate this stuff. Like, this is what boys use. Like, what is it with boys and 2-in-1? Has anyone seen that meme of Cardi B and she's like, how convenient?
How convenient is that? Wow, how convenient is
fucking
that?
I'm using this Radox muscle soap, which is pretty fitting seeing as I've just gone to the gym. I'm kind of hoping it's going to be like a bubble bath. Sorry I look like a terror, as I said, I literally just got back from the gym. Oh, it smells like men and herbs. Oh, did somebody say receding hairline? No, nobody said that, so stop mentioning it in every video. Wait, can I lower this even more? Oh, I'm an idiot. I could lower it. Hello, everybody. I am honestly in this bath way too much on this channel. Obviously, I'm in the bath. I'm joined by my little Poundland product. This muscle soak has literally produced so many bubbles. Everyone always gets so triggered by like how full baths are. Are you proud of me? I've come a very long way. Obviously, I bought these shampoo and conditioners from Tresemme. I think it's pretty cool that they actually have like normal brands. I never knew that. What does it smell like? Apples. As I said before, this is a 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner, and I just... what is the point? They sell shampoo and conditioner separately
for a reason.
Oh my god, this literally smells. Get off my nose. This literally smells so delicious. The only thing about bubble bath is it's literally impossible to wash your hair because the bubbles are everywhere. People get so triggered about the fact I wash my hair in a bath. People are dying here. Time for the Tresemme Volume and Lift conditioner. Why did that come out so weird? Smells like... smells like shampoo and conditioner, to be honest. It smells like quite a classic hairdresser shampoo. Although I used to go to these hairdressers and they'd their conditioner smell like marshmallows. I don't know about you, but I bloody love marshmallow. Ow! Don't want to see how thick my eye. Next up is shaving cream. This is Gillette. Isn't that like a razor brand? It says it's got aloe vera in it. You love a bit of aloe in this there. Doesn't smell of anything, to be honest. My legs, I would show you, but I honestly reckon I go like back down to 20,000 subscribers because I haven't touched them in weeks. You know, you've got a long-term boyfriend and you literally just stop shaving your legs. I'm so sorry, Will. Because I'm a dumb bitch, I forgot to get razors, but these are literally just like generic. In fact, they're Gillette. How on brand. Wow. It's shaving cream. I really don't have a lot to say. I'm not going to bore you and sit and shave. Kind of just does the job, you know. It's shaving cream. It's doing what shaving cream does. We love good content. This feels so weird. I'm gonna get some sort of skin disease from this, I swear. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god, my face is gonna like burn off as well. next morning now. My hair feels nice. It kind of just feels pretty average. It's got some like weird little kinks in it just from where I've tucked it behind my ear. I've literally just woken up and I thought I would test out these hair remover facial wax strips. Now, not gonna lie, I'm absolutely terrified because I've had times in my life where I've waxed the tops of my eyebrows just like to get the sort of little baby hairy bits off, and it took my skin off. I literally did like a fresh tweeze on my eyebrows and I actually did the worst job ever. Like, they're so thin, it makes me feel a little bit sick. I'm gonna wax my mustache. I'm honestly so bloody scared that this is gonna actually take my skin off. Oh no, as well, because then it's literally gonna be so obvious I've waxed. I'm gonna try it on my arm to see if it will like pull the skin on my arm off. I mean, they're like Nair brand, they're not some dodgy brand I've never seen in my life, so I have a little bit more faith. But somebody come get her. That actually did nothing. I don't know if you can see that, but it's literally just like coated the hair in wax. I am really sorry, like, you guys know me, I'm always up to fuck up my face basically, but I just don't want to risk it, you know what I mean? Christmas is coming up and I don't want it to be obvious that I tried to wax my mustache. Please have a bit of empathy here. Next, I'm going to be trying deep cleansing charcoal nose pore strips, and I'm also going to be trying out this Thermovio deep cleansing peel off mask with activated charcoal to peel away blackheads and unblock pores. I'm thinking I'm gonna put this on my chin, a pore strip on my nose. I've literally got a glass of like really hot water because I know you need to get your pores all open. So the first thing I'm gonna do is literally scrub the top layer of my skin off.
Perfect.
So when you put on pore strips, I know that your skin has to be wet and it like helps the pore strip stick to it. This is really what my channel's coming to. Oh god, I've only ever really used the Biore pore strips. It's actually like cardboard. I'd say that is securely on. I've got quite a weirdly shaped nose, so pore strips usually struggle to fit on my nose. Right, now the peel off blackhead mask actually comes in a tube. I thought it would come in like lots of little sachets. Cleanse your face, pat dry gently. For best results, spray your skin with a hot towel for 3 to 5 minutes. 3 to 5 minutes? I'll be right back. And 5 minutes is up. Let's get this baby on. If I just put it, if I just do a couple of pillows, okay. Ooh, she kinda thick. I'm gonna let these sit for about 15 minutes and I will be right back. So it's 15 minutes later. As you can see, I can literally hardly even move my mouth. I feel like a lot of people... Ow. Oh my god, I know I say I've got a pig nose, but wow. A lot of people, I feel like, don't know you should peel a pore strip upwards. That's the best. It's actually... Ow. Oh my god, it's making my eyes water. It's actually how you'll get the best results. Ooh. We got mummy pig, baby pig and daddy pig. Ow. It's actually so painful. Tick check. Do 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 do. Ow, ow, ow. Oh my god, my nose is so red. Ow. Ooh, basically everyone has things called sebaceous filaments. Oh my god, look how red my nose is. Oh, she said Rudolph. Everyone's got these things called sebaceous filament on their nose, and if you get a good pore strip, it will pull the sebaceous filaments out. It's basically just where your pores on your nose are slightly larger and there's like a buildup of oil. They're not necessarily blackheads, it's just oil, and it's kind of pulled those out. I'm gonna show you, so if you get grossed out by this stuff, look away, or if you're my boyfriend, please look away because you'll probably never want to look at me again after seeing this. It's so gross. I always get really frustrated when people do pore strips and videos and then don't show. You can see those little like white bits on the pore strip, and that is a ton of shit from my nose. Right, let's hope the chin one has actually done something. Oh my god, these are painful. Yep, it did absolutely nothing. This literally has nothing on it. But the pore strips though, I would actually give the pore strips a thumbs up. I mean, they make your nose so red, clearly, but all pore strips do that. My Biore ones do that. I'm gonna go and wash my face, get like the residue off, and then I'll be back with something I'm really excited to try out. So I mean, my face is on fire a little bit, so what am I gonna do to combat that? Put even more Poundland shit on my face. Actually, do you know what? No, I'm not gonna call it shit. That makes me sound like such a snob. This is a holographic sheet face mask, and I'm pretty sure this is like a Primark, not Primark, sorry. Did I say Primark or Poundland?
Why do I have a memory of a goldfish?
The actual face mask itself is holographic. No way. I just find it very hard to believe that a holographic sheet can be good for your skin, but hi, I'm here to literally make my face fall off so that you don't have to. I'm assuming the non-holographic side goes down first. It feels pretty like saturated with product. Oh, it smells like coconut. Oh, I'm such a dumb bitch. It just says coconut on the thing. I don't know if I would say this is holographic. It's more just a metallic. I mean, to be honest, I actually really don't care whether it's holographic or not. It's kind of just how it makes my skin feel. So far, I don't feel any burning. It actually feels really nice, like really cold and smooth, soothing. But I guess I will leave this on for 15 minutes. It literally smells so nice. I love the smell of coconut. It just makes me think of holiday. It says it's enriched with coconut oil, aloe vera, leaves your skin soft, smooth, brighter and more radiant. Bamboo, lily extract and several other plant extracts condition and nourish your skin. And girl, is that what I need? And the big reveal. It's now 15 minutes later. Let's see if I still have skin. Wow. Oh my god, my face is so red. Right, now that my skincare is done and I'm literally looking like a tomato, it's time to test out some Poundland makeup. Poundland didn't have a ton of makeup in the shop that I went into, and they didn't have any testers, unfortunately. But I'm not one of those people who's going to try and self-sabotage, make it look really bad. I want these products to work. I'm going to try my absolute hardest to get a good look out of them. If these work, that is amazing. You can get amazing makeup for a pound, people. A pound. First thing I got is this Makeup Gallery Gorgeous Flawless Long Lasting Foundation. Ooh, it's very, very thick. It's literally like a mousse. Oh, oh no, no, no. Oh, orange. So I think it's quite clear that this isn't really a colour match. It says natural long lasting foundation with a flawless matte finish, enriched with vitamin E and UVA and UVB filters for added protection. I see what they mean about natural, because so far all it's doing is making me look patchy. It's very streaky. So far, not the best impression. I'm gonna try and blend it down my neck a bit, but it's quite a weird colour and it's really making me look like I've got a moustache. Why does it actually look like a poo? You can kind of see for yourself that this just isn't it. It's so thick as well. It's really sort of clogging up the brush. Like, this was a fairly clean brush, and I used this brush with other foundations, so I know it's not the brush that's making it really bad. Oh dear. I don't know if you can see, but it's like, let me zoom you in. It's literally making my skin go so red, and it's also pilling. So if I rub it, it like balls off. Right, maybe I can save it with this. I picked up this Makeup Gallery Hide and Sheet Concealer. Once again, no testers, so I just tried to pick a slightly lighter shade than the foundation. This is in the shade Ivory. I never use these sort of lipsticky concealers. It's really, really not very good. Why have you done this to me? Okay, let's try and blend this out. It's absolutely destroyed and it's peeling all my foundation off. I feel like it's kind of blending out into nothing, but it's not absolutely terrible. But if you want a Jeffree Star finish, I would not really recommend. It's like stuck around my mouth and it really makes me look like I've got a mustache. Now I literally look like what they call like the Neapolitan ice cream. It's time to go in with some bronzer. Now I've actually heard good things about their powders. This is what the colour looks like. Do you know what? It's not terrible. I feel like with a good base underneath, okay, I've put way too much on. So with a good base on underneath, it could work, and I kind of stand by that. I mean, it's £1. If you want to go test it out yourself, go ahead, honey. They didn't have any brow products, so I just picked up a brown eyeliner, and I'm gonna try and really lightly pencil my brows in with this. It's quite dark, but obviously this is not meant to be an eyebrow pencil. I guess I was kind of wishful thinking that it would work. I mean, you guys can decide for yourself. I'm just going so lightly because it's actually quite pigmented. I don't think it's all too bad. I'm gonna quickly fill in the other eyebrow and I will be right back. Down, I literally look. Right, let's just get this done. I'm over it. I'm over it, Darren. I've had enough. Next step, mascara. Hopefully the mascara will pull through right now. Oh, okay, it's plastic one, which is good. I always prefer plastic one. It's a very thin formula. It's not really as thick as I like. I'm not even joking when I say I've honestly been sat here for about 5 minutes trying to build up my lashes and it's just not happening. But obviously everyone has different preferences with mascara. Like, I feel like my mum would really like this because it is so natural, but I like my lashes to be really long, really thick, and this just isn't really doing it for me. Or even if like you go to school and you're not allowed to wear makeup at school, I'd say this is really good. I got this matte lip color and I got it in like a nudie color. Oh no, oh no, why is this actually grey? I'm ready to go. British girl check. The colour is shocking. Absolutely terrible, but that's my fault for picking this colour. Maybe this would look good on someone else. The formula is not too bad. It feels really silky. It's not chunky. Well, it's making my teeth look really yellow.
Oh dear.
I'm not gonna lie, I can't really rave about Poundland makeup, but if you want to try it out yourself, go ahead and let me know if you find anything good. The only things that I would maybe use again is maybe the brown eyeliner for some actual eyeliner because it was quite creamy, and the bronzer was kind of decent, but I mean, make up your own mind, you know what I mean. Okay, so our last step of the video, not gonna lie, probably the step I've been most excited for. I got these 3-in-1 makeup removal complete cleansing wipes, and apparently it's 20% extra free. I love a bargain, me. I've squished the packet already because like with makeup wipes, I feel like you should squish the packet before you use them, and they feel very dry, but the actual wipes themselves are quite soft. And it's taking my makeup off okay. I mean, I think the real test is like trying to get eye makeup off. Clearly though, I don't have a lot of mascara on because that mascara was actually useless. It's taking it off. It's doing the job. It's not really stinging my eyes. I would rate these makeup wipes, and oh, my camera is flashing. Right guys, on that note, I am gonna finish this video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. Maybe you found some things useful. If you did enjoy it and you would like to see more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe. I love you all so much. I will see you all very soon. Bye.